friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on and off dial pad tone in oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. You have to see here many app icons. You have to click on the firstly setting icon, so click on that. Then you have to see here many options. You have to scroll down and click on the firstly sound and vibrations option, so click on that. Now you have to see here many options. Click on the dial pad tone option, which is already on in your mobile phone. Sorry, if you want to off dial pad tone, so click on that. After that, you have to see result when you click on the phone icon. In this way, dial pad tone is off, and if you want to on dial pad tone, then again click on the setting icon, click on the sound and vibration option, then click on the dial pad tone option. After that, when you click on the phone icon, in this way dial pad tone is on. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.